No, is it Igor or Igor? Igor? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna call you Steve.
Okay.
Okay.
I like it.
So now we got.
I like it, Mark.
So I'm marking the lease option. Steve comes along and goes, oh my God, I love that house. My wife, suddenly I'm giving you a wife and 2 kids, okay? All right. So my wife and 2 kids, we're looking for a place. This house is perfect. Steve, what is it? Igor. He pays me 5% of this house. It's say a $500,000 home. I get $25,000. That's my assignment fee. He moves in. He's making the payments every month to Sebastian. He's in touch with my lender. 10 to 12 months, he gets financed. He's cashed out. Sebastian's happy. Igor is happy. I'm happy. I made 5%. I had nothing at risk. Did I make any payments to Sebastian? No. Did I make any house payments? No. Did I have to estimate repairs? No. Did I have to negotiate? No. That's it. I simply assigned the lease option.